Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a tour of my Viva Bahriya apartment. So I hope you guys enjoy. Welcome to my apartment in Viva Bahriya, Qatar. This apartment is a 2-bedroom, 3-bath apartment located on the marina side of Viva Bahriya. Right at the entryway, it comes with a small guest bathroom. I think my favorite part of this apartment is the kitchen. It's an open concept kitchen with a view out the big window in the living room. There's plenty of counter space for cooking, and everything is close enough where you don't feel like you're just walking forever to get around the kitchen. I really like these see-through glass windows. They give it a nice little touch where you can see your plates and bowls in the cabinets. And I like to decorate with all my spices and mason jars full of things out in the open. From the kitchen, you can walk right out into the living room. This one's probably my second favorite place in the apartment. The ceilings here are higher than in the kitchen, and they have 2 chandeliers right over the main living space. This is my dog Briley's favorite place to hang out too, and I keep all of her toys in the living room. I got this couch from IKEA, and in my last apartment, it was actually only 3 seat. What's great about these couches is you can just keep adding little modular pieces until you get the shape that you're looking for. My living room is also full of a bunch of plants, which I really enjoy having in the indoor space as well. As you walk around the corner, we get into the guest bedroom, which right now I'm using as a home gym because the gyms are closed. In here I have a couch which converts into 2 single beds, and I also have some of my furniture that I made from New Orleans. This room has lots of light, and it's nice for just hanging out during the day. From both the living room and the guest bedroom, you can walk right out onto the balcony. As you turn the corner, you walk into the master bedroom. This is where I sleep. This room has its own private balcony with an even better view of the marina. I haven't done much decorating in this room, but these are a few of my favorite little touches that I've added. Connecting to the master bedroom is the master bathroom. This one is also really nice. It has both a tub and a shower and a separate toilet area. Plenty of counter space and a big mirror to use above the sink. There is also tons of closet space in this apartment, which is nice for all of my clothes. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour and got a little bit of a feel what it's like living in Viva Bahriya. If you did like the video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up below and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos like this about life in Qatar. and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay safe. Bye, guys.